Bitcoin is still holding monthly support. Let's check it out. As you can see here, Bitcoin is heavily extended to the downside here on the monthly Satoshi RSIs. It's very interesting to see what the market will do here. Every single time we've come into a zone like this, we've normally had a bounce. I'm seeing this bounce potentially getting us in and around the $157,000 zone. I think that would be a perfect zone and a perfect area to take some heavy profits if you are looking to trade Bitcoin in this zone. Again, it's never financial advice in any of these videos. Do your own research. But as you can see here, the weekly is heavily extended to the downside as well. With the monthly and the weekly heavily extended to the downside, with the daily topping out over here, we can expect a little bit of a move down in the next coming days, maybe even the next 24 hours. But again, we do have bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. So overall, we are watching for a strong bounce really soon, but we do have the potentials of a little bit of a liquidity grab below, just to fill a little bit more of this wick before having a continuation to the upside. I do think that Bitcoin is looking pretty strong. As you can see here, we do have some news from CNBC, which I don't actually like or agree with. Bitcoin turns negative for the week as it fails to hold above 90k, CNBC Crypto World say. On today's episode of CNBC Crypto World, Bitcoin and other cryptos turn negative to close the week. Plus, prosecutors recommend a 10-year prison sentence for Terraform Labs founder Doge and Summer, CEO of Blockchain Association, suggested at the group upcoming policy summit in Washington, D.C. Again, the weekly hasn't closed. It is still Saturday. The weekly hasn't closed. The weekly closed just as the clocks turn to Monday. So this is a little bit of fake news here by CNBC. Not a huge fan of that. They have a full 12-minute video in on their page. If you think Bitcoin has topped out, leave a comment below. If not, let me know what price you think Bitcoin will go to. Maxi Doge. They're having a pre-sale at the moment. It's currently live. The current price is at 0.00264. They have currently raised $3.7 million. It can be trusted by Bitcoinist, Blockchainer Reports, Coin Central, News BTC, Crypto Daily. So there's quite a few reputable companies there that have either examined this coin or have wrote something about it, which is pretty interesting to see as well. The tokenomics are very interesting too. Maxi fund around 25%. Marketing they are going crazy with 40%. Devs around 15%. Liquidity around 15%. Staking around 5%. They have a quite crystal clear roadmap as well. As you can see here, Maxi Doge roadmap looks pretty cool, pretty interesting. I must say this is by far the most interesting website I've seen for a meme coin in a very long time. It's pretty cool. What is the purpose for Maxi Doge though? Maxi Doge is Doge on trend. Max leverage, 0 Fs given. Maxi token represents your stake in the vibes and the culture of extreme crypto traders, where even 1000x is nothing. Extreme pain, extreme gain. With that statement being said, they also have a massive disclaimer at the bottom. Maxi Doge is a meme token with vibe utility. We are not liable for the illusions others create. Do your own research, look out for Maxi Doge copycats, and obey local laws before aping into Maxi Doge presale. Cryptos can pump or dump. This is not financial, tax, or legal advice. So if Flocky is gonna lead the way, maybe it's time to start looking at other pre-sales and other meme coins that look to be on the rise. If you think we're gonna get another meme coin rally this bull run, leave in the comments when you think it will be. That's been everything. I hope you've enjoyed. Goodbye.